this is my Type-C glow-in-the-dark DIY, and I forgot I was going to make a tutorial on how to build, so I already started with 4, but what you're going to want to do is, with the Type-C, the big washer's already on, so you would take the screw, and then take a spring, and then just put it on, and then you would take one of these little washers, and there's like some extra plastic on it, so I like to take the scissors and just and then I just snip it off, and then after it's done, if you can see a rounded side, I mean, I don't think there is one, but if you can see, just put that on facing down, and so it should go screw, big washer, spring, little washer. Then you take a center, and then just put it in, so you have it like this, and get your center, your core, and then just hold on. Just kind of start to screw it on a little by hand is what I like, and then get your screwdriver and then just screw that in to your desired tightness. Yeah, sorry if this is kind of hard to see, but it's the tripod and camera. Yeah, I like to have it to where when I pull, I can see 2 swivels of the screw. So that's what I have on each side, and I can always adjust the tightness later if needed. So hold on, just moving around. Okay, and then repeat the process. Well, and you should have your pieces like laid out kind of neatly, but I accidentally messed up those. But yeah, so remember, screw, big washer, in our case it's already on, put on the spring, take the little washer and cut off the excess if there's any. Okay, put it on. If this one there was a rounded side, so I put it facing down. You get a center, put it in, get your core, screw it on a little, then you should be able to okay, got there. So then you have this, after you do that 6 times, your core should be done. But then if you look, there's a little bit of rough excess right there. So I'll just take the scissors, try to cut that off. And then just try to get that off. And then, hold on a sec, I'm going to go get a razor blade.